wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know my face has been sitting on for a little minute. I already took my lashes off for the day, but I want to start using this stuff tonight, so I didn't want to wait to film this video. You guys already know what time it is. If you guys want to see what I picked up from the Sephora event, then let's go. You guys already know how this goes. The Sephora event comes around twice a year. They've been throwing in a couple more sales throughout the year, but you know, the two main ones twice a year. Starts out with VIB Rouge, then VIB, then Beauty Insiders. Let's see, how am I gonna do this today? I guess by category. I feel like we start with fragrance. Let's start there. Okay, now don't judge me, but I did pick up a fragrance from Chanel, but I've smelled this one before. It's not a blind buy, because listen, I still stand by what I say, that most Chanel fragrances do not smell good. But this is the one that Faye bought Drea for her birthday. Now there's a difference between this one. It'll be linked in the description down below. This is what it looks like. I mean, they do have cute packaging. You're not just gonna sell me on packaging with fragrances, but this one smells like, it's been a minute since I smelled this. Like bubble bath. Like this is what I would wear at night to go to bed, like just calm, feminine, nice. It's still, I'm pretty sure this is a floral family scent, but not nauseous like the other ones make you. Listen, y'all saw how I dragged Chanel. If I'm saying that this one is one that you should check out, is one you should check out. Technically, I didn't buy this, but it's another fragrance, so I'll smell it right now. Versace is another one where I say they don't make good fragrances, but again, it was one of those throw it in the bag type things, so I did. This is Dylan Blue. This is what the little sample size looks like. Oh. Immediately no. Ooh, hit myself in the face. Immediately no for me. For me as a girl, no. I wouldn't want to smell like this. But for a man came around me smelling like this. Okay. Okay, Versace, maybe they just make good fragrances or cologne for men, because I like how this smells. What did I wear this? I ain't mad. Let me get makeup out of the way. I feel like I have a decent amount this time around compared to the last few Sephora hauls that I've done. This one, Danessa Myricks, it is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. I heard that this can be used, glow serum primer. I heard that this can be used just like as a serum thing on your face to have a glowy look to your face. I also, heard this would be a primer, so I'm gonna test it out both ways and see what it looks like on the face. And then there's the matching Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I've seen a lot of people talking about these two. It's been a minute since I've actually been excited by some makeup products, so I picked both of them up. I'll probably do a trying new to me makeup video or a trying my Sephora haul full face of first impressions video. Another makeup product I picked up from KVD Beauty, it is the Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer. If you guys remember, they had the, I don't remember what it was called, some other type of concealer that was full coverage. And I mean, one thing about this brand, they don't play when they say full coverage. You guys saw all the hype that they had with the Good Apple foundation last year, so I wanted to pick this up to try with that and see how it looks. This shade, ooh, I mean, brightening shade. Fingers crossed. We'll see. I don't know what it is, but there's been a lot of hype with Dior lately. Their beauty products. The lip oil sold out before the sale could start, so I didn't get to pick any of that up. The foundation, I've seen a lot of people talk about it lately. I don't know what it is. They also have a new cleanser. Like, it just came up on Sephora's website. It's already sold out. The power of TikTok. But I did end up getting this Dior Iconic Overcurl Mascara. It could just be the hype with Dior, because you already know I'm not that big on trying mascaras, but again, this is that time of year where it's like, why not just throw it in the box? So I picked up the mascara, and I think it comes with a primer as well. What is this? a base, serum, mascara, and then you put the actual mascara on top of it. And then also from Dior, I got their Flash Perfector Concealer. It looks like, unless I'm bugging. Ooh. Okay. The packaging looks like the Face and Body packaging of the foundation from Dior. Again, it was on the new page. It's Dior. I wanted to try it. I picked it up in the shade 5N. I don't know about this shade. Ooh. Oh, well, you know, we won't try it. We won't try it. And the last thing I have is skincare, which I'm most excited about. One of the things I was talking about when I said I wanted to start trying it tonight. Two things I was inspired on picking up in Puerto Rico. The first is the INKEY list. This is my first time hearing about the brand. It is their oat cleansing balm. So when we got to Puerto Rico, I forgot to bring something to remove my makeup. So Drea had a travel size of their cleansing balm. She was like, oh, try it out. You know, you can have it if you want to. When I tell y'all it was so good that I had to get the full size from Sephora during this sale. And it's only like $10. Now you already know when I mentioned Sephora and something being $10. Bells should be going off. But this was great at removing makeup, but it's one of those balms where like I didn't feel greasy after I removed it. So definitely this $10 does what it's supposed to do, especially if you do the multiple step skincare thing. Listen, pick it up if you pick nothing else up from this haul. $10. And the other thing I picked up because of Puerto Rico is the Nécessaire deodorant gel. I was talking about things I want to get during the sale, and I was like, should I get the Nécessaire deodorant gel? When I tell you Drea screamed at the top of her lungs, yes, she screamed yes. You know, I'm a simple girl. You tell me yes, I pick it up. So I picked up the deodorant gel, and this is the fragrance free. They have another option, which is eucalyptus, which if you've tried the body care, then you know that's one of the options that you get for the body care. And they also have a fragrance free, so they keep it pretty consistent amongst the line. This is what the deodorant looks like. And I'm excited because I mentioned in my product recommendations video that Nécessaire, the brand in general, is one to check out during this sale. Their stuff isn't always the cheapest, so definitely this is the time to pick it up, but their stuff is good. Now I do have to be salty for a little minute because y'all sold out the Tatcha sunscreen before I could buy it during the sale. It's been sold out for a couple weeks now at this point, so I went ahead and got this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50. I think I mentioned in some video that I did that I had seen Jerry talking about this. She was on Twitter talking about you guys sold it out, so I saw it in stock on Sephora. I wanted sunscreen, so I went ahead and picked it up. I have a mask from them for my face and I really like it. It's the only thing I tried from the brand, so hopefully I also really like this one. This is what it looks like. I'm excited. And the last thing that I got during this sale, listen, definitely an impulse buy, but this is the type of sale where you would pick something like this up because of the discount. I'm really trying to rationalize it in my head because it's from Mer. This is their The Treatment Lotion. I keep seeing ads for this on TikTok, on Instagram. And you know, I figured why not? So I went ahead and picked this up. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce version. There's one, so this is 100 milliliters, so I think the other one is like 150. Which, you know, it looks like a, well, let me pull it out first. Okay, it looks like a decent amount for what you paid and for what you're getting, for the brand that it is. I'm excited to check this out. It says, after cleansing, sprinkle a small amount onto fingertips or saturate a cotton pad, press in the skin, follow with your Mer regimen. I don't have the rest of the regimen, so the rest of my skincare is gonna have to do, but I'm excited to try this one out. And you know, it was definitely the treat yourself of the haul. And that was the last thing that I had for this haul. You know, looking at it, I feel like it looks like it's a lot, but you know, how quickly I got through it, how quickly I talked about it. Like, I'm like, maybe it wasn't that much. Like, I didn't do that bad of a job this time around. Also want to say thank you, of course, to Sephora for letting me pick out some things to check out during this sale. The information, the dates on when you can shop, depending on what tier you are for Sephora, will be in the description down below. If you are not a part of the Beauty Insider program, then I will also like have the information down in the description down below on how you can sign up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below what you plan on picking up. If you saw anything in this haul that interests you, anything that you're now thinking you're gonna pick that up, because there's still time for me. I mean, I was gonna say there's still time for me to shop more, but I already have things in my cart to place another order. So I already, like, I'd be playing in your face if I made it sound like I wasn't gonna shop again for this sale. So let me know, there's time, in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all that guesswork down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.